The Tesla modules have been installed in the 1981 Jet Electra van, and the results are unbelievable. I feel like I'm in a 1960s James Bond movie. It's ludicrous mode, 100%. Oh, who am I fooling? It's a dog. It's slow. It's bouncy. It sways back and forth. You feel like you're going to die. The brakes don't work very well. But that said, it's cute, it's fun to drive, and I look forward to finishing it. Now that it's been proven to drive, it'll be interesting to shed more weight and see what we can do with it. I'd like to see what kind of range it has. More to come.